na yetimi akoyanim azante ebo akwaba na what to say megidi say yene mpanifo di nkomo ba ko mienu say omo hwe mre no kakra ma ya megidi say ombe ye ho adwuma na because moye Akwatia is green. Lawyer Bernard Bedu are winning with 18,199. Now, electoral commission declare no. So no enemy. Yenti awa 15. No crack.
Solomon, assume here are the vote cast. Solomon, Asumedu had 15,235 votes. Bernard Bediakon Bedu of NDC had 18,199. Ousu Patrick LPG had 82 votes. I repeat, Asumedu Solomon NPP had 15,235. Bernard Begiakubedu NDC had 18,199. Ousu Patrick LPG had 82 votes. Total valid votes 33,516 votes. Total rejected ballots 303. Total vote casts 33,819. With the figures mentioned so far, Director, with your permission,
permission granted. Move on.
I, Eric Osu Jenfi, the returning officer of Akwatia constituency, declare Bernard Bediaku Bedu as the parliamentary candidate elect.
Thank you. Parliamentary candidate. Parliamentary. 534 bro for practice. When the Black Stars go for practice. Training no chem 34 na practice. E Akwatia for na eju omani no. NDC Akwati City no. Na just say the Gatia kwa Akwatia no. Azante. Wo kan sem Yahweh. O kan sem mienu. O se seat no eye MPP 4 na omunwiye. Na mom seat no omunte ase se na Akwatia for nim se mapenijo mama benwan command 20 a omu candidate no. Ene eyare wusem se akwanya sabeta o kwan fa so ba na mom wo mun kan huru se Womu president na tiso. So womu parliamentary candidate nkwa de a eye. Ene ometima to ama brante no. Na womu pempum tuo. Se ohini ba de ne papa te ase de a womu ma lawyer nko. No womu no womu se sign. Nyesa asanka onya de o. But womu huru se lawyer we Bernard Bediako esqa. Omo pejo mama betima ma no post kese. Ama na beboa womu. Hey, Asante. This man called Johnson where phenomenal. Let me say something today. Let me say something today to MPP. Johnson said Dunketia. And I know Yatia heading Komobi Mikase. Ghanaians one day will have a root shock of their life when they say Dunketia is leading NDC to power. Oh, yeah, obviously, I see Dunketia. She, Nade, the one can take her. Nanado Dankwa Gufuado Yanga Sotia Ne Hunya Fe Untimini Mampeni. Okay, Konambidi. Konambidi, Nana, watching.
Nana do wache ko na mbedi.
Obedi mampani mi wa. Mame fa nko Senegal. Mampani ba ko anasa bio. Manu tutu Abdullah Wad. What else how many years? 10 years, 5 years. It is not about one warfare. Papa we Uko NDC grassroots NDC for he's their ten God.
He's idolized.
Okasa omutie no change o mama.
Oh, say didn't get here.
2006. Kofodia. O say me mo back to me mama meje power mama or je power mama me boa.
General secretary no.
O de omu cha 8 years. And omu ko opposition for 2 terms. O say there be here the other year yi. Ofosuampofo. O say no be to nsem gumbe kan no kretre party for. Emma Ghana for Supano say, but not party for nothing. Your kind, I say. Send me a general secretary. To me be on ma, then Grammy. What the mammy number a chamaya, Meji to me, ama, Wajia now on ye. Nasa Waji, to me, ma obi. Then there are no say, or no best or Gino Lidimwa. What's the NDC for the 12 Tiano? Julius Debra say, me tears, I see Julius Debra never nama say.
On my American dance, NDC more, or flag race, no. Me yana in most cases no enye
yatra politics muacho etidu be be akasa agrofonte o if I say don't katia picks a form say person lead NDC I can assure everybody say MP before mo cheche obi say na oba be na beto na say share
say don't get here
I say don't katia wo mo mpa say mo ma anya say MPP and then me can in court me o me sa through position. This man
and some of y'all can
a quite of us to can is all
way too much.
As you look at your kind of us to can asem or can some now. Oh, I be our best three, but the all form honor or resonate with the say look at yasem. I say or Tiomasi chain.
Wow,
what they say quote to name of bro for some had a brofoman about me. I'm one
in 2000 and 2012 when this is what to about study my own. Now you know him or
as listen.
Now him omoto ba mi mama nya 99.5.
Yes.
I said nke je be general electoral commission when declare results no ko be general post mana mo se mahama nya asem so nya 99.5 so ene mo nya 100% de mo nya 100% preko na yen this for the to aba no be nya 99.5 we 100% because approximation decimal point no we from 0 to 4 no 0 but from 5 to 9 no 1 there wonya 100% na mesre but in be be dwum say akona sama worka no
she
enti no I say ngati obefana whatever I say bia wo kan say ma
enkomo ba ku mienu
I say bia worka no
ye kopa me born voice
wo kasa
oye deep and he's become an election machinery for NDC and our building through the ranks. So say I said you get charge now me what party anymore.
Oh Debbie
NDC should build people. And yes how Papa when yes and in dia or the kwa batu mu no. Here you can have all that you have to say. But what the hell? Person you get charge now. E dia pa na obetima kan fa no ho just onye ni papa the only situation
corruption
2012 we blocks be near day we no free hono mo a
no ma onya kwanta no twa na blocks a obi twa blocks a
I know body be wom but what a ultimate fa corruption for fraud education and ultimate car sam so efa obi ho a send obi si describe nipa no utrans na o he ni dia na fata no
we say
and all the jokes or the humor
oh my we say emrebi
every before we say
we say emrebi o maka che o mo say NDC for our filling station wo sunyane na sunyan for no we say NDC for filling station yi enti no maka ama na say wo no say the keten filling station to so no ma ba election bi wo ho na o ka che manager say manager oh you betia we dem mo mebu yes o so mo bu sa adu be no o mo be Jesus na say ade mo say media
na ade every day ade
be bebu a me betia e dey so I say the get you be a ni himo no ni ma ba ma kakra me kan fa we no hu vote difference na na me hwe the NS community we ne ye no the late NS community we onunya 19,000 and something.
That's right.
When you're 19,269, that is the 2024 elections. And no national elections are make us say the campaign and then the forum was so high. When you're 19,269, and I sank us 18,260 something. That means turn out to know. Anyway, votes or the nya no cranke ya bank.
So it means that the NDC maintained its numbers.
Omunya kakraka, omunya we no.
No, what I'm saying is 18,000. Omo maintaining. Meboa.
NMPP there no.
NMPP for lose to almost 4,000.
15,000 and something na
Do you know what it means? The padodo na free mountain be to aba na ade ni nyina no. They did not go.
Omamba.
And two, that statement from Asedun Ketia say your president na tiso.
Ohemba ne de tiase.
Etimu pempuntu amoma ne kwan na anya hwe na obetima agibibi abremo no. Ebi kwa na omampani koma no position ma obeboa no. It resonated with them. MPP were problem.
Oman
Asante MPP
no omo problem. As it stands now on mine. And there may be a cost to the 24 elections. Any party new so much bu omembo no. Still and that perception
and free the pemo. And I said say omo wa fro Ghana for no entity crowd. Yes,
that's when
because the goodwill of Jomama is still there. Hey, and a dollar drew 13.3. But who is even talking about it? Dollar drew 13.3. About 10.2. No, they did. I drew 30. And no, I was at the bank. It was 11.9. Bank.
11.2.
I drew 12. 11.9. Me can't remember. Say I was at the bank.
11.9. But say do 12.
12. Yet nobody is talking about it because I'm going to say now NDC is a proverbial monkey. Do no harm, touch no wrong, do no wrong. Shada se si akoye because omanpani tasuk the goodwill. MPP for one bufo no free nipem. It is oman to omo niam ye. No man here to say your opposition things as usual. They will be shocked say 2028 Ombeko post no. Yes, yo, yeah, the nipa. Na NDC for the be brutal no. The NDC strategy for now. Oh, my parent your mama. Yeah, politics be with the fourth, the final year now. Won't tell you. Was she saying mabunu wo baby or ja a legacy of succession beer. Kufuor wanted to do some anye 2007. Abraham Kode Alane mabunu eba take you over amfa. Your mama yebi, it is working. It is seriously working. MPP. Now, what message do they even have out there? Muntu abamai.
Message ben now kai se ba mi akan. Message ben now kai se ken Japan kan.
None.
Japan kasa kamala show ape. No be kan say obi anya be man che obi aye be ma mu showdown. Ti se papa o kan nyina showdown na ba be se no. Mampanyi abedi eche dada. Onso kasa la so do kan say Abrante ni wo no kra no ye gidi say minim say wonya postmortem report to say NDC for the court ni say man na kan obi na on free
pressure na de ku no you see
it's
omo aka say omo kasa wie ye no e no omo asa dum ja no ukoma wan showdown uwie ye so a why na the postmortem bre o say pressure na heart attack e ku no no and eskumi grata ba e say wonya heart attack NDC for na de man.
And I may say, me was sending a message or the and the name MPP for me come message biane the people there. Galamse a question saniment to me and fast a message in room. And in the project no MPP for
one mistake come here the removal of Amase. The removal of Amase. And Akwatia sit Roman way on bre papa.
Because Amase a fence say Kwatia 554. MPP I went no 5. So I went in 5. Meanwhile, some recent past, like MPP strong, say first seater.
But say, what will you have say free Akwatia say on table of lawyer Nina by hairdresser or one mono share on it Baba Jama.
Oh my
Baba Jama nipa keke politics mu Akwatia. I must say to me a beatino. Now I call you myself free or for lawyer no we all we a free or no more and as kumi and the twinya one but look at the difference 1918 just like 500 votes difference all same NDC are maintaining 18 no MPP and to me we NDC bet make say omu twegu someone twegu ma mu nipa no mo way are you getting me it's yanko elections but this time around it has become very strategic Ghanaian election. Onipa oye local boy or ho no man ni ye ni maybe enough for no. Move and call. So ye wine. Power is what you need. At the end of the day, MPP4 were a very huge magnitude of a problem to deal with.
But my kakra can say some ye constituency be research. Both parties, especially MPP. Constituency be research, you know. Omo say, omo ya, asumesi. Wey nipa say na mama for ne pɛ no ɔmo research ni mo ano bɛyɛ hu bɛhia mo asen sɛ yɛkɔpa so obi ankofa for nkɔnkɔpre because akɔka so obi ankofa for bi wɔ sika ɔde
bɛba wram na nya sa ne sie
nipa no so ɔmo mpana
nya sa ne sie Ghana sisi a MPP4 research bɛ no ma yɛ ka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ presidential candidate wey
ɛna Ghana for pɛ no
sɛ mo de ne brɛ ne a yɛn you best say NDC because your mama eko.
Is there any research be done?
A dear research now executives now crama ye.
Afa candidate you say where
afa one more magic take it no akofa form no. Ye tra se hwe no. Enya ye pewe. Enya we na owoska. Enya we ne de na kokane. Ba me aton kakra. Oshe Canada Japan or you resourceful or bad prime minister kakranti a new guy our bay friend of Brian Champon also a youth so the minister or minister. The issue is now you need power of all the five and dear number five chile ako grassroots mo delegates in the end they on beto name of Ghana for because Munkwa mo delegates no entime we power. Have you done that research?
No.
Munye. Ena akoye ye Baumia, ye Kennedy, ye wine. The omubeyi ni bia no Ghana for so omu penu ana.
That's the question.
Sama nye we ya. Munu numu ho sere MPP. I'm telling you today.
Because on my own mama.
Na ade. Obapeni your mama oko.
No, mama.
Wakase oko. Kwa oko no. He's coming to leave a big loophole hole. I'm an NDC. My NDC NBN they will take it. They will get it easy.
No, because
what
be on the ballot
for how many years?
From 2012.
How many years?
2012, 16, 20, 24 for
16 years.
16 solid years.
4 elections.
4 elections.
And I Ghana for who him. It's elections. We're not sympathy vote was with John Mama. Now MPP for so I near Matroka. Now he is exiting. Oh yes, he don't get here. Be also about contest here. He is known in Ghana, but Obiani one man me for the first time. Ofia Bontina and the D and then a picture at top paper so I had to Abamano da since 1992. Tell me be.
I just said what?
I'm John Mama 2012. No, sitting president. Ghana for decided say afei no okọ na battle kra no. Ghanaians saw him as a first timer. Omo tutiano. 2020 tutiano about 3 times. Ekufuado ba miensa. Atamos ba miensa. Kufuor ba mienu Kufuor say na Rollins gina 3rd time and go ma. Mewa. It means Banka has about me first time emfa. Because you can't win Ghana's election one time. And see, Ekufuado tried 2008. Everything shows you are winning. Eka 40,000 went to me. And Atamos Bisano. Kona Atamos a compressor. It's easy. It is somebody who be back. Right now, would the new person back? And also Yasem MPP. And this is also the new person back. And found this one hour. Now Asante, the election has become personality. More than party. Though the party is the vehicle. I'm telling you, say, I bet you individual. People voted for Hamao.
Of course.
They didn't vote for NDC party.
Mahama
became the yes.
And NDC that's a party near for
any vehicle ni piano. Almost about me and to me moi and to almost to tear MPP because of Baumia Meboa. All the only Bahama now. Who is coming to stand with Bawumia or Kennedy? Kennedy is coming the first time. Educhum first time. Brian Champo first time. Bawumia was a little edge because when they can't call ballot no so. No so our Ghanaians saying they want him back.
But on 2028 election, dynamics is different. Dynamics no, a bit different. Because NDC ni bi on baby na baby an. Mahama good well no. And obe enjoy. Say Mahama ntimi an ye year 2028.
You should forget.
That person should forget it.
No one can no cry.
And it is a me, omo money abrese omo person mo pay e be city Mahama ntem no. It is too early. I saw Mama Mahama e bia we timi bu amemo ni ye. Na ye akono. Say whoever comes and it's because of Mahama legacy you you must any pra contrast anya sa na mamwa na se na say in 2027 going na definitely it's going to affect the whoever is coming.
Oh no crowd on the one
because Nana Akufo the when he be a side Bawumia. Oh
definitely.
And the son of Mahama so anya ne meya nipa na mo yi no enso he be side.
Azanti e page mu na nsa na no azoka.
So for azoka.
Oh yeah, so for azoka no pay mesre no. Onke who say, or your national vice chairman.
When you need packetwa.
Eba NDC. Regional chairman na odini brebi wo. Extreme hono. Ekemo. You stand on a national television. Say obeto the minority leader in parliament. Ka obe kuna ma by election. Adaya. What's what to say? Afenyo ma ki amobi ati poster. Ewurade Nyankopon. Yemfa bibi antonche yenti azoka
mi dona kabetun wa ha ye be omisi afenya maka ba ha mi dona kabetun wa ha ye be ye by election krom wallahi ye ko ye friend say ye police station mo ka che so wa ha akabetun wa ha mi dona afenya maka mbe by election krom
afenya maka so kasai oso azoka de ono sa anote.
This is for one vice chairman, Sompa Azuka, on radio na TV do okasetiam also buku. Well, I na na sama. Za yenyi mi do onye na Azuka boys za wonyi man there. Wo bro nkrofo na okunkum nkrofo nti onye the first time or threaten but then you hunfo.
Asante.
Super Azuka.
How? Now what do you share on name Masaudu? Me share video ni biwie no. Masaudu ni Sompa Azoka interview no. O kakra srew. Oh. Ti.
Ba Akotia Azoka no oba Akotia. Me Alhaji Masaudu mi si mi mbatamale. Na Azoka to mi ba Akotia. Mi hunsa. So Munkachira Azoka say. Munkachira
Anya yiri shelan yerma. Mponna anya ba ma. Mponna yiri anya ba ma. Kanjel pona ne list bi se kan nyabla ba.
Azoka.
Your mother. I say your mother. I say your mother.
Brother,
look,
brother,
anya ba ma.
brother.
Kawina ni krom kasante. You are my brother. Wasn't necessary.
Unnecessary. Oh my, I can't say by election. I'm thinking this is the last by election I take that. Constitution review one I had Professor J.H. Pempe. Not a report to Daniel. Part your baby in no need to be female or not to fully Panama. No matter 10 years old as a
part of very
why winning on some party in your top.
Etika on your primaries now.
I'm no man
in the parliament
because or
I don't think come no ya
or to us okay.
Come no ya
and I am ya cranny say. And you pay go goose, sir, Akwe Abia. And your pa no more. Omani adwuma bia ya Ghana. Huh? And penufo makoguo and me say so man twa sa by election one mind. And somebody model ziba say, "Wa, we need to make the BD on the day of election. You can say pa ho." As Jibs of Azuka ko head ho.
Oh, national vice chairman.
And go head. What is
support to the
police
party
station that is now order that. National election drew omoko. Omana to maba. Asembi meka na nsa na se akotiafo. Mo ngasu nje ma hu hiam. Omo wie omo firi won ko e.
Omo ko.
Omo di tabe to wa anyam na mo ndu muja. Ama de make what you say.
Asante ye komra menu kuma Orlando. No sebo tiger na da wani ma na say we ye dey porcupine. Asante kotoko. Bra. League no ma